We're given a line, the equation of the line is given to us in a Cartesian form. I mean, there's not really a point of us working with a line in the Cartesian form, so we are going to convert it into the vector form. To convert it into the vector form, we are going to be letting 1 minus y over 3 be equal to lambda. We are going to be letting z plus 2 over 4 be equal to lambda. And x is already given to me as 2. So for this, y is going to be equal to y is going to be 1 minus 3 lambda. And for this, z is equal to minus 2 plus 4 lambda. So based on this, we know x, y, z can be written as 2, 1 minus 3 lambda, negative 2 plus 4 lambda. Okay, so based on what we have now, we know that the line L will be r is equal to 2, 1 minus 2 plus lambda of 0 minus 3, 4. I can see that this is OP. Okay, which means that for the line L, P is a point 2, 1 minus 2. P is a point that lies on the line L, and this line L is parallel to 0, minus 3, 4. Okay, this is the information that I've gathered so far. Part 1, we want to show that the point of intersection of Q and Q of L and the plane pi 1. Plane pi 1 is given to me as the Cartesian form. We are going to convert it. Converting planes equation is very easy. It is 1 minus 2 minus 2. This is equal to 8. So we are going to try to find the intersection between the line L and the plane pi 1. And this point here, according to what the question says, is point Q. Intersection between geometries, we solve it by doing simultaneous equation, correct? So simultaneous equation, I'm going to treat this as if it is equation number 1. I'm going to treat this as if it is equation number 2. So for part 1, at point Q, simultaneous equation, I'll sub this R into this R. So it is going to be, this R will be 2, 1 minus 3 lambda, minus 2 plus 4 lambda. Subbing it into here, this is 1 minus 2 minus 2. This is equal to 8. Solving for this, you're going to get the value of lambda to be equal to negative 2. And this is the value of lambda at Q, which means that if I were to sub the lambda into here, I'm going to be getting OQ, which is going to be 2, 1 minus 2 minus 2 of 0 minus 3, 4. So OQ here is going to be equal to 2, 7 minus 10. And the question asks for the coordinates. So I do need to rewrite into the coordinates form, or else some teachers will actually minus marks. Okay, so if you get the position vector and the question asks for the coordinates, please write it into the coordinates form, okay?